Hello folks, this is Phil with Jim's Motors in Cuba, Missouri. What we're looking at here today is a used 2019 Elite with the Outback custom day tripper interior. This trailer's only been used a couple times. It's still like brand new. It's a 2-horse, 10-foot short wall. This lady ordered this trailer from us and she got it, used it a few times, and decided she needed another extra horse stall. So she ordered one just like it, but in a 3-horse. Got a hay rack, generator, drops on the head and tail with mangers, storage below. Got a ramp on it, full stud divider, roof vents, rear collapsible tack. Again, it's got drops on the tail side, awning with awning cover. Got a sofa with a fold-up table there, or counter extension. Nice big bunk area. Soft touch leather walls and ceilings. Ducted heat and air. 6-foot fridge with freezer. Satellite system, stereo system, the TV up there, sink and vanity, power exhaust fan, nice big shower with a sky dome. For more information on this trailer, give us a call here at Jim's Motors, Cuba, Missouri. Thank you and have a good day.